everyone, welcome to another video of Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a turtle, so let's get started. So the colors you'll need are green and grass green, and a pencil and an eraser, and you'll need a Sharpie to trace it with. So let's get started. So first we're gonna draw the head by doing a circle. Now we're gonna draw the eyes and then color them in. And I'm gonna draw eyelashes. If you want to make it a boy, don't add the eyelashes. And now we're going to draw a cute little mouth. Then we're going to draw the shell because it's a bit easier. Alright, so maybe go a little bit, leave a little bit of space, and here add a dot right there so you know that you're going to make the shell right there. And do the same on the other side, like that. And now we're gonna draw a big U-shape, upside down U-shape like that. And then connect, like that. And now we're gonna draw the bottom of the shell. And now we're gonna do a little pattern on the shell by doing a little shape like that. And then do a U like that. That's gonna be the pattern we're gonna do on the shell. And now we're gonna draw its legs. So first draw a straight line like that, and another straight line like that. And now curve, don't do a pointy corner, and then connect. And then do the same on the other side, and connect. And now we're gonna draw the little nails, I think they were. And then we're gonna do the other feet. Alright, so right here, we're gonna make them, but a bit farther, but not like right here, because it looks better. It looks kind of like the legs are behind. So add the nails like that. And now do the same on the other side. And yeah, we're gonna draw some grass. You can do the spikes any size to make it just like grass. Here's a big one. And I think we've done everything, so now get your Sharpie and you can outline it. Oh, and if you don't have a Sharpie like mine, like a twin tip Sharpie, you can use a pen or just a normal thick Sharpie. It's either way is fine. I'm just using this thin one because when I use the thick one, it kind of like gets bigger, so that's why I'm using the thinner one. But it's still okay if you use a normal Sharpie. And when we're done, we're gonna erase every lines of pencils we can see, so it looks better. There. we go. We finished the turtle, now the grass. Oh, and I'm not gonna color this whole part because that'd take a really long time. I'm just gonna color right like that. Just straight across. I don't need to color this whole part or that would take a very long time. Now, we're gonna color it. Or actually erase everything. Alright. So you just have, what you just have to do is erase all the pencil lines you can see. And then we'll color. Alright, so I think we're gonna color not the shell yet first. We're gonna color in the turtle. So if you forgot what the colors are, it's grass green and green. So we're gonna use grass green for the face. And the legs I'm gonna mark it so I know where to put it. Oh, and here I'm gonna do it very dark. So it's not the same color, maybe. Oh, and I know, maybe I can add some green too. So it looks like a very dark color. And don't color the nails in because those are white. There we go. And that's how to draw a turtle. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe too. Bye everyone.